What is going on, guys? Austin here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is April Fool's, so I thought I'd make a little video, guys, and show you guys some of the pranks I'm going to pull on my friend Emma and make her day a living nightmare and put her through hell today. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys the pranks and hopefully you guys enjoy it and hopefully she does not like them. Oh dude. Alrighty guys, so we're going to go ahead and pull the first prank on my friend. She's here in my room. She has no idea that it's coming. I'm simply going to take some water and just pour it on her, and then when she turns around I'm going to spray her in her face with some silly string. We're going to start easy on the pranks and then go higher and higher as we go. Alright, let's go. You said you weren't doing water. We are now. You said you were. You said that you. The water. And I got the silly string in my pocket.
Are you kidding me? Oh, my hair! Austin, no! Austin! Oh, my hair!
Oh my gosh, guys, yeah, it's all in her hair now.
It's fine, I'm going to dinner.
Get the floor, there's a lot.
My butt is soaked. It's fine.
I think that's like a mess anyways.
Thanks a lot, I actually brushed it today. Is it out?
I think so. Alrighty guys, we're back. We're going to be pulling prank number 2 right now. My friend Emma's in the bathroom fixing her hair and getting ready to go to dinner. And little does she know, I put her keys in a thing of water with a note that says, enjoy your dinner, #wet mess. And so she's basically going to have to pull up the thing, the water's going to go everywhere, and then she's going to get in her car, and yeah. So we're going to go check in on her right now, go to the bathroom and see how she's doing. How are you doing in the bathroom, Emma?
Dude, I actually look like I have like pink bugs, like pink lights, like right here.
Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go outside and get the mail. Have fun at dinner if I don't see you, and no worries.
Alright, bye.
Gotta set up the camera over here, guys. Make sure it looks good. Here we go. Alright, Emma, have fun at dinner.
Austin! Where's my keys? Austin, are you serious? Are you kidding? Are you serious? Enjoy your dinner.
Kitty. Huh? You got this. No, you gotta get close to the camera. Come here.
You come over here.
Come here.
Should I write on the window too?
Look.
This is not working very well. What else do I write?
Call him a stupid head.
Stupid.
Yeah.
This is not working. Stupid. Is that good?
That looks great.
Okay. Should I color something?
Yeah, get the top of his windshield or
Should
mirror.
I write all over his windshield? Should I just color it green?
Yeah, dude, why not?
Put a bunch of dots. I actually hope this comes off. Is your mom home?
No, so.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, sweet.
Draw a dick.
Alright, I'll do it anyways. Where should I put it?
Put it right there.
Right here. He's gonna crop this part out. Sweet.
Wait, get in front of it and pose real quick. This could be like the thumbnail.
Okay.
It's just like.
Okay. Sweet.
Where you guys at? Emma. Jared. Yeah, you like that revenge?
Balls!
How's that?
How's it feel?
I didn't do this to you.
It doesn't wash off. It's not washable.
It's permanent, buddy.
All
I did was spray water in. Permanent. All I did
paint.
was spray water in.
I can't run. I can't run. I can't breathe already.
This is stupid. Yeah, look, we drew a dick. This is the new car. I just got this in January.
It's pretty now.
Oh my god. Looks great. It's green. It's green and white now.
Yeah, April Fool's.
You like green, right?
Your favorite color.
It's a good color.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so you guys saw the few pranks I put on my friend Emma, and the video didn't go as planned accordingly, and I guess they had a plan in mind too, and they got back at me with attacking my car. And so, just a recap, they did this to my car, they painted it, yep, so, April Fools, I guess. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe down below, and always guys, a reminder to stay positive and open-minded, and I'll see you guys next time.